Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word Crockett. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Crockett was known for his sharpshooting skills and bravery during the Battle of the Alamo. Crockett refers to a type of ornamental hook, typically found on the ridge of a roof, used for decoration or support. It can also refer to the surname of American frontiersmen and Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.